This is Tim Terrell with Terrell Electric, kind of going over the final here. I have completed this job finally. It is not cleaned up or nothing like that. They've got to still do some cleaning themselves, but we've gotten everything put in. We're using a low voltage LED light there to help reduce the cost. There's no light bulbs in that candelabra. There's the light for that. Vanity still got to come in. We have put a lot of work into this place, and it's a beautiful home, exquisite home. So proud to be part of this project. And this is a 3,500 square foot home. It is immaculate, very modern, very, very modern. Low energy efficient LED lighting, control switching at the front door, on and off programmable time for the soffit eave lights. Show you that outside here in a second. This is the kitchen. We got LED pendant lights up. There's a refrigerator. It's going to be the exhaust fan, double oven. We have countertop here. There's a sink there. This is the pantry. There's also a sink right here in the kitchen. And if I'm not mistaken, there's another sink that's going in over here. But I don't know what the plan is there yet. That's the fireplace. It's all remote. Lit up there. That's the TV and power plug, built-in custom shelves. We are not messing with that receptacle now. We've installed it. We're done. The cabinet builder is working on that. Outside here, more modern light fixtures, light switches. Very, very elegant and nice, very grand. That's going to be the fireplace out there. They're telling us that we're done with our part of it. We've got our lighting out there, security lights, perimeter lights. I'll walk around the house and show you all that here in a minute. You got the powder room here, which will just be, toilet and a vanity. We're done. This here is the master. Typical rope light up on top. 2 switches here. However, they do not have a fan in here. They've got a TV hookup over here. Also have an exercise room here. Beautiful window view. Everything is set. Absolutely immaculate house. We put quads in for their receptacles by the bed for their convenience, getting their stuff done. This home was extreme. We have 3 LED low voltage lights here. We've got the toilet here. We've got a exhaust and light there. Light in the shower for it to light up the area. The builder and homeowner can't decide how they want to space this portion here for the lighting. So we've got our wires up there yet and he said he's going to take care of that because we're done. This is a walk-in closet area, LEDs, and pretty bright. This is just an there's a closet back there, and that's a wire for a heated floor. Absolutely gorgeous home. Absolutely no expense was spared. I still got this circuit off. Had to replace the switch, security system there. We have this is the laundry room again. Dryer hookup, washer hookup, light switch. 3 receptacles along the wall there. Storage. There's a receptacle there as well. There's a wire safed off inside the wall here for pull down ironing board if she ever decides to do that. Here's the garage for this area. She's installed a GeoComfort Home HVAC system, electric hot water tank, run it, circuit for water softener. This is absolutely gorgeous home. Attic access there along the wall. That's the switch for the attic. That's receptacle power. That's the switch for the outside receptacles in the soffit, and a receptacle out there. The panel. Then we have in here, the third garage, more and more receptacles. A ton of receptacles in here to accommodate her needs. There's receptacles along those walls there, behind those cabinets as well. So it has really gone the extra mile here. I have to finish wiring that for the floor, and then we are done. And I'm going to head outside here real quick with you all and let you see the trimming of that she has here for this. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. LED lighting throughout. So her security light is LED. Oh, we've turned all this off, but that's okay. LED sconces on the side. Turn these lights back on. Give you an idea of what we got going here. So here's that. I'm sorry it's taking so long here to do this. They're still working on this stuff. We've got our receptacle up in the soffit there. That begins one. This is the front of the house. They're terracing and taking care of all this now. Beautiful stonework. Very, very modern and a beautiful home. I am so glad to have been a part of this project. I think the builder and I had kind of twisted our tails up a couple times. I don't mean to do that to people, but I do kind of get into it. So, and then she changed the look of these lights from those over there, more up there. We've got a receptacle and a soffit over there to take care of that inner part there. This, 2 receptacles by the door. Large stonework here. That. The panel here, we did something a little different. We are actually, when we installed this and got it permitted, it was 13 feet to the center of the meter. And so right there, we are below grade and we're inside the concrete. So we didn't have to have a disconnect or anything like that, saving the customer quite a bit of money. We were going to have the wire anyway. So that was a pass off. The big expense was adding the additional disconnect. And so we were able to get that out of it. There's where we're feeding from. As you can see, quite a bit of drop. Had to have scaffolding out here in the winter time to get that set up and do that. We've got our LED light there and a LED security light. Then this here's the back. And it just kicked up. This is her patio. The back area here. There's those lights that are on a different switch, not timed. That's that. So that goes off dim down to a little bit. This one here, get it to kick up. As you can see, just brighten the area up. And she's going to have another fireplace and TV out here. The builder is going to install it and have that done. So that'll go right there. And it's going to be completed. Remote control fan, all that. Whoops. And there we go. So that is 3,500 square foot home I've been working on for a while. And I was working on this when I took my test and passed in Alabama. And it was a great time. Thank you for watching.